Hi guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the fuel filter in your lawn tractor. Usually you'll find the fuel filter under the hood, and this one's located right here. You can see that it's quite dirty, and you can see right inside here how bad it looks. And here's the new one compared to that old one. Now fortunately on this tractor there is an inline fuel shutoff, so just turn that off if you have one. If you don't, you can use a pair of pliers like these and just squeeze the fuel line to stop the flow. If you don't have one of these, possibly a pair of vice grips might work. And if you don't have vice grips, just try to pinch the line with a pair of pliers while you insert the fuel filter and connect it to the other line. So now it's quite easy to replace the filter. Just grab a pair of pliers like this. And you want to take the clamps away from the fuel line on each side. Now it's handy to have a rag with you because when you pull the fuel line from the filter, there will be fuel that will leak out. Now you want to put these clamps back on the fuel line. Just hold the clamp like this so that it's opened up. And now insert the clamp over the fuel line. And just repeat the process over here. I put the clips far back like this on the fuel line so that it's easier to insert the filter. Now if you look at your filter, usually there will be an arrow on it pointing the flow of the fuel. And since the fuel is incoming from here, I know that the flow is going that way, so I'm going to install the filter like this. Usually when you use a filter like this with cardboard inside, this is the side that the fuel comes through the filter. If you do use a small plastic filter like this, it's got a screen inside. There is no arrow for pointing the flow, so it doesn't really matter which side that you install this filter. And now you want to install the other side of the filter onto the fuel line. And now you want to bring the clamps onto the filter connector. If you do have a fuel valve, now you can turn it on. And now you can start the engine to make sure everything's okay. And it's quite normal to see the fuel filter only partially filled with fuel. It doesn't have to be totally filled for your engine to run properly. This is quite common on lawn tractors, so don't worry about that. So that's all there is, guys, to replacing the fuel filter on your lawn tractor. Check out my channel for hundreds of small engine repair videos. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.